Hey guys, Bowman's Homestead. We just bought a new snapper mower, push mower. The 163cc, 7.25 foot-pounds of gross torque snapper with the Briggs & Stratton. And I got it home and I noticed right here it's not even locking into the position. It'll lock in the rest of them, but there's a little, let me see if I can get this to focus. If you can see that little nipple hanging out there, won't allow the handle, the lever, to go all the way in. But I have another problem. It's got oil. I checked it. They checked it at the dealership. I thought, well, maybe it doesn't have enough gas. So as you can see, full of gas. But no prime, bulb, no choke, nothing. It says right there, no prime, no choke, just pull for power. So you hold down the lever and then go ahead and start it. And guys, this mower will not start. I've pulled it, I probably pulled it 30 times. She's probably pulled it 20. Spark plug, I've checked it. The boots on the spark plug. I don't know. Won't start. Brand new. Just bought it today. And when I was telling you guys about the dealer support, I called the dealership. He said, "Are you still in town?" I said, "No." He said, "Okay, I'm going to come by your house on my way home." He should be on his way right now. But I just wanted to show you guys. Brand new, full of fuel, got oil. I don't know. There's no prime, no choke, nothing. And it will not start. So I just want to make a short video. You guys like the video, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you on the next video.